Hello everybody, Smilsy back again. I'm back with a little retail football break today. I got some 2016 Donruss Optic. I got a hanger box which I picked up for $4.95. And I believe this is DA Card World. You get 12 cards and you get some purple parallels in this. I picked up a mega box for $19.95. You get 40 cards, you get one MIM card per blaster, and you look like you get some color parallels, red and yellow parallels. So let's go ahead and start with the hanger box. Love Optic. Opened a lot of it last year. Not too much this year. Alright, golden tape. We got Donald. Malik Collins rookie prism. Base prism. Carcel Palmer prism. We got a Calhoun purple for the Raiders. Noah Spence purple. Bucks. Sharp purple rated rookie. And Rashad Higgins. Artie Burns. William Jackson rookie card. Austin Hooper. Tyler Boyd. Alright, not too much. A couple big old rookies there, so I'm not too upset with that. No big name parallels. Let's go ahead and open up this mega box. Alright, let's start pack one, mega box. Griffin Matt Jones prism. Tyler Irvin red and yellow prism. Chris Jones rookie. Big Ben Washington prism. Will Redmond red and yellow. Tyler Boyd again. Building up Boyd. Looks like the hit. And Jeremy Hill. Devontae Booker. Jersey for the Broncos. Had some hard time finding playing time, I think, last year with Charles, but he's got some playing time because of injuries. Sterling Shepard, rated rookie. Not bad there. Robinson. Alright, so that's the hit. Let's see if we can get Dak Prescott. Carson Wentz parallel. Ryan Matthews, Eddie Lacy, Rankins, red and yellow, Paxton Lynch, golden tape, Augustus, Paul Perkins, rated rookie, Howard, Russell Wilson, J.J. Watt prism. DeForest Buckner. Ah, there we go. Dak Prescott. Just the base, but not bad. Blake Bortles. Baldwin. Hackenberg. Bradbury. We got Freeman. Ivory. Esbeeb. Chris Moore. Gronk, Flacco, Braxton Miller, Derek Watt. Alright, last pack mojo. Drew Brees, Adolphus Washington, Hooper again. Alright, that's the break. No huge hit. There's the one MIM card. And probably the best couple cards here. You have Dak and a Shepard. So can't go too wrong with these. You usually get a lot of rookies and some parallels, and sometimes you can hit some of the bigger names. So that's it for this break of 2016 Optic Retail, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.